Question. Of the four main functions that managers fulfill, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, which do you think is most likely to be enhanced by an understanding of organizational behavior? Why? Four functions of managers. This includes planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. As a manager, planning entails crafting plans to meet organizational objectives, delegating responsibilities, allocating employee resources, setting timelines, and prioritizing tasks. In the managerial role of organizing, the person establishes the internal processes as well as structures. Beyond that, the manager should have knowledge regarding which workers or teams are best suited for certain tasks in order to maximize both productivity and efficiency. In response to new challenges, this can call for the manager making significant changes to a team's internal structure and rules as the company grows. In the role of leading, managers are expected to project a sense of direction and motivate the employees, set goals, and communicate changes and updates regarding rolling out new goods and services, new processes, or adjustments made to company policy. Managers are expected to model supportive, encouraging qualities, provide reinforcement and praise, and resolve any and all internal conflict. Controlling involves monitoring the performance of its workforce, ensuring quality control, and maintaining both efficiency and reliability of finished projects. Monitor progress toward organizational goals and course correct as needed in order to meet objectives. Studying organizational behavior gives us perspective as to why and how employees behave in the fashion that they do. This field of study is centered around understanding, explaining, and improving the attitudes of individuals and groups and organizations. Through knowledge of organizational behavior, we unlock the power to explain, predict, and influence behavior within the organization to maximize productivity and efficiency, and meet, hopefully surpass, company goals. Since the function of organizing requires a deeper, more intimate knowledge of employees individually, and behavior is something so personal, I believe that knowledge of organizational behavior best enhances and works in conjunction with organizing. Question. Managers need technical, human, and conceptual skills in order to succeed. Which of these skills are least likely to be learned on the job? Explain your position. Let us begin by defining these skills. The book defines technical skills as the aptitude to perform and apply specialized tasks. Examples of this include proficiency in using the latest technologies. Human skills are defined as the ability to relate to other people. This is necessary to manage relationships. Those of us with notable human skills are also skilled at dealing with conflict and are considerate of other people's feelings. They should also be adept with communicating and sharing information within the organization. Human skills go hand in hand with emotional intelligence, which is defined as the ability to understand emotions in oneself and others in order to effectively manage one's own behaviors and relationships with others. Conceptual skills have been defined as the capacity to see the organization as a whole and understand how each part relates to each other and how it fits into its overall environment. This aids in problem solving, identifying opportunities and challenges, and thinking outside of the box when it's time to make decisions. I believe that human skills are least likely to be learned on the job. To have great human skills requires a great deal of empathy. Like charisma, you have it or you don't. Not everyone has high levels of emotional intelligence. It can be studied, but that can only go so far. Think of authenticity. I also find human skills to be invaluable because the success of an organization lies within its people. You want to have good relationships with your peers as well as partners and suppliers. I think a high quality of customer service demonstrates strong human skills.